Dude, I have got an awesome coding resource for you. Let's go through this together. Hey, welcome to another video. I'm Peter, and if it's your first time here and you want to learn to code and you want to stay motivated to reach that goal and change your life, then start now by subscribing and click the little bell icon so you don't miss anything. JavaScript is a nightmare to learn, especially if it's your first coding language like it is mine. Dude, your head is like going to explode at every second. But the thing is, I found this fantastic course. It's called A Smarter Way to Learn JavaScript, the new approach that uses technology to cut your effort in half. Well, I gotta say, honestly, that is true. A lot of times that's just a bunch of BS, but here, I just want to come over here to Amazon and just show you what this looks like. I just finished this course, about 2 weeks ago now. Yeah, just about 2 weeks ago. If you want to learn JavaScript, you will learn it going through this course. I just want to go down and talk and show you some of the comments real quick, so that you don't just think that I'm just out here spouting a bunch of junk. Let's just see what this one guy says. I'll just read a couple of them, not the whole thing, but here. Well, first off, let's just go look up here real quick and just look. 5 stars. 86% of the people who bought this have given it 5 stars, dude. That is saying something. Wow, I can't believe you got me addicted to this. I have never experienced anything like this before when learning. I will tell you this, man. I was addicted to it. I was up at like 4 in the morning working on these exercises, because you do start going, what? Wait, you do it like that? And then okay. I mean, half the time you're feeling like you're a complete idiot because you can't get the things to work correctly. But dude, that's part of learning any computer language. Let's jump back into it over here. The best way to learn. Okay, best way to learn compared to Code Academy or Free Code Camp. Now, I'll tell you what. The reason that I jumped into this one is because I was working over on Free Code Camp and doing quite well until it got up to the JavaScript section, and then it started kind of jumping ahead a little bit too fast for me, and I'm like, dude, if it keeps up at this pace, I'm never going to actually know any of this. I mean, yeah, I can kind of, claw my way through it, but with this, it wasn't like that at all. You go from zero to hero. Finally, a new approach to learning. I'm just going to jump over to what this new approach is here in just 1 second, but my bookshelf is full of Learn JavaScript books I've purchased over the years. My success with each has been limited at best. One of the primary reasons is none of these books engaged me throughout the learning process. Well, I'll tell you, that is the truth. I'm not going to go read any more of these, but you can just see over and over and over. The only time, look here, the only time when something is going wrong with like a 2-star is the website doesn't work. Well, dude, I guarantee you don't know how to work the computer. This is this is one section of the course. So you get the book. You can get it on Kindle. That's how I got it. I now have it in paperback. I'm just going to show this off to you real quick also. Hey, man. Woohoo! Smarter way to learn it. I'm just going to show you some of the exercises here. I'm going to go into some of the very early ones so I don't scare you off if you haven't started learning JavaScript yet. In here, dude, who knows where you are at. I have been coding for about, very close to 3 months now. And so, I mean, I did go through every single one of these exercises. You will understand JavaScript by the time you finish this course. Up to about an intermediate level, which is all you need to start working. Any more than that and your head's gonna explode, dude. In one word, if it is enclosed in quotation marks, what is it? It's a string. Check your answer. Correct. And so anyway, I'm going to jump back out into this is like the index of exercises or whatever it is. You go through from the very, very beginning. You go through and you learn the loops. You learn the if statements, arrays, variables. I mean, everything that you really need to know to get yourself moving in JavaScript. You got it right here. And dude, I'm just going to tell you right now, I spent 2 months on this course. And it kicked my butt. But I'll tell you what, I am so happy that I did this, because now when I'm doing anything else, trying to do any other learning, I've got a very fundamental, awesome understanding of JavaScript, vanilla JavaScript, that is just, now you can't take it away from me, dude. I got it all up in here. I just want to share this with you, let you know that you can learn JavaScript, dude. If you're having trouble, get this book, go through these exercises. You will thank me later, I guarantee it. And aside from that, always, dude, if you've got awesome resources, leave them in the comments below. That's what we're talking about, building the community, building friendships, and keeping each other on the road to learn to code, man. We will see you in the next video. Rock on, fellow coder, rock on.
What do you say when you want to quit?
I don't quit!